Brush on a thin, even layer of bonder to the nail. Leave a tiny free margin around the perimeter of the nail to avoid the skin. Cure for 10 seconds in the CND LED lamp using preset button 1. Guide a thin, even layer of builder gel or shaper gel for clients with heat sensitivity to the natural nail and tip. This first layer will act as a foundation layer before building. Once all nails are coated with a base layer, complete a full cure for 1 minute using button 2B. Apply a second layer of builder gel to create shape and architecture. To do this, place the apex down the vertical center of the nail and feather to taper on both sides. Use gravity pull by turning the finger over to help further define the apex. Flash cure as needed to prevent the gel from running and to control the sensation of heat on the nail. Apply to all 5 nails and cure for 1 minute using button 2B. Remove top film with a cotton pad saturated with 99% IPA. Refine the nail shape using a 180 grit file or utilize a medium grit diamond bit at 1/2 speed for refinement. Cleanse nails with 99% IPA. Apply a layer of protector top coat. Cure for 1 minute using button 3. Remove top film with a cotton pad saturated with 99% IPA. If using CND shellac, skip the protector top coat and shellac base coat and apply 2 layers of shellac color utilizing the 5-point polish method. Cure for 1 minute on button 2S. Apply a layer of shellac top coat. Cure for 1 minute using preset button 3. Lightly wipe to remove top film with 99% IPA.